...2014 Beetle, and the trunk latch is seized. We're going to try to open it from the emergency right here, and if not, we're going to pry this open and we're going to manually open this thing. There's a little lever in here, you're just going to slide it. Nope, not doing anything. Okay. So the latch mechanism is on this side.
It doesn't matter if you break it because
no, we're taking it out. Yeah,
you're putting the new one in. Don't they have like the little string, like the?
Yeah, that's right here.
Oh, it broke off?
No, it's just not working because the latch is broken.
Oh.
Take off this protective plastic cover. Get underneath the side of it.
Pretty frustrating that it wouldn't work.
What, that its own latching thing doesn't?
Yeah, with the like the string.
It has. It
just won't work.
There you go.
So what size?
220 Torx.
How many?
2.
That thing is in there. These little clips are right there.
Pull that
two
down.
tension clips.
We got 2 triple square 8s.
Oh, for the latch.
Holding the latch itself on.
What size again?
888.
888.
Just wanna unplug this guy. This is the little lever you would be hitting in here.
Yep.
But that just is dead. And you can see, you just pry up and you're basically want to release that little pawl right there.
Yep.
You see that little angle? Hold on. That is what you're trying to release right there. That's what's actually being latched.
Gotcha.
So you're trying to turn this in this way, right, to release that ball. Line your clips back up.
Two T20s and one more time for the vid. You're making
2014 Beetle hardtop.
engines come in these 2s and 1.4s.
2 5s and 1.8s and diesels. Ship by hand. Check it out.